Today we'll be cooking oven roasted potatoes. First, you're going to need 2 pounds of red or yellow skin potatoes. Today we have Yukon Gold. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped herbs. Today we have rosemary, parsley, thyme, and basil. And you'll need a half a teaspoon of paprika. This is a really tasty, simple dish that you can use with potatoes that are in your refrigerator. It usually goes well with a variety of proteins. First thing you're going to do is add your potatoes into a mixing bowl along with your olive oil, your spices, the garlic powder, and make sure that it all gets in there. Gonna go ahead and add the paprika, and then we'll finish with the fresh herbs. Fresh herbs really make the difference in this dish, and you can season with salt and pepper as you like along the way. I like to use fresh ground black pepper and kosher salt for seasoning. So I like to get my hands in there. You want to toss the potatoes around in the bowl, making sure to coat all the potatoes evenly with the fresh herbs and the olive oil. And so I like to give this an extra massage here and make sure that everything's mixed together really well. We're going to be roasting these on a half sheet pan with parchment paper. I highly recommend using parchment paper. It's going to help to avoid the potatoes from sticking to your sheet pan, and it allows you to cook with less oil. So once it's all mixed together, you're going to take your sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and we're going to place them on the middle rack of a preheated oven, which is heated to 425 degrees. And we're going to roast those for 30 to 35 minutes until they're golden brown. I'm going to take them out of the oven. The potatoes are going to be nice and tender. And then we simply transfer the potatoes into a serving dish for a great family style meal for the holidays. It's a great way to get some fresh vegetables, fresh herbs into your diet.